Over the years, cars have evolved from simple machines for transportation to highly advanced beasts capable of several functions. From making ice for your drinks and dispensing custom-made perfumes to even more complex features like heartbeat sensors and biometric storage systems that are stronger than some vaults, car designers are testing the limits with these crazy features. In this video, we'll be looking at some of the craziest features in today's cars and how we got here. Keep watching to find out what our number one pick is. Trust me, you'll be mind blown. But before we go on, hit the subscribe button on your screen and become a member of our amazing community. Without further ado, let's get right in. Number 7. Pontiac Aztek Tent Car. Despite being one of the ugliest cars ever, the Pontiac Aztek comes with a somewhat surprising feature that seems just as ridiculous as the design is. This minivan comes with a full camping tent installed at the back of the car, attached to its roof and frame. This tent can be extended to full length when the vehicle is parked and even comes with a sizable mattress for a good night's sleep. Call this car whatever you want, but this feature is actually a really cool one. Rather than packing a bunch of camping equipment that weighs hundreds of pounds, all you have to do is drive out to the campsite and set up your tent. No hassle, no stress. It may be the ugliest American car yet, but it's certainly not the most useless. Number 6. Honda Odyssey built-in vacuum. Family vehicles like the Honda Odyssey have a particular reoccurring problem. It is the presence of spontaneous spills and cleaning spells. Every car lover knows how hard it is to keep their cars clean. This has brought about the familiarity with ShopVac, which makes efficient vacuums for any vehicle out there. The 2014 and 2015 Honda Odyssey capitalizes on that love and includes a built-in vacuum with a long-range hose for those of us who love to keep our cars clean at all times. So whether it be a tiny spill or a big one, this feature makes it possible to have a clean car regardless. It doesn't seem like much, and to some, it might be a dumb idea, but it can be helpful to those who need it. Number 5. Mercedes-Benz S-Class Cars Massage Seats. Ever wondered, what if my car seat could give me a massage? For most people, the answer is not really, and to be honest, I haven't either. But that does not stop Mercedes-Benz from adding this feature to their S-Class cars. Being able to warm or cool car seats in cars like the 2015 Kia Sedona and 2015's Ford Edge is all good and fine. However, Mercedes-Benz's line of S-Class cars takes it to a whole new level with its massage feature. It comes with 6 massage modes built into the car seat, including hot stone and workout massage modes for feeling relaxed and invigorated after those long days. Who needs an actual massage chair when you can get a Mercedes-Benz S-Class car, right? Number 4. Volvo Crystal Gear Knob. Another less functional feature, and quite a crazy feature present in cars now. How great does a gear knob covered in crystal sound? Quite ridiculous if you ask me, but it will add a sparkle to your driving experience, that's for sure. Puns aside, these crystals aren't just any crystals, as Swedish glass artisans, Orifors, have crafted them. More surprising is that Volvo, the manufacturer who was once known for producing dreary, plain saloons, is the one who has this feature on one of their vehicles. Number 3. Bentley Bentayga Fly Fishing by Millennium. Though this vehicle isn't as ugly as the Pontiac Aztek, it does have a similar ridiculous feature like the one present in the Pontiac Aztek listed above. This vehicle comes with a fly fishing kit at the back of the car. There is no need to bring a fishing kit, as the Bentley Bentayga has this car option ready and available. Now, fishing enthusiasts can drive their cars and discover the wilderness while searching for trout instead of carrying heavy fishing equipment around. Quite efficient, don't you think? Number 2. BMW's 7 Series Gentleman function. I was as confused as most of you are now when I read this too. Questions such as, what exactly is Gentleman function in a car? And is this feature exclusively for use by male drivers of BMWs? Well, I have the answers that you need, and hopefully it clears up your confusion. According to the manual provided by the manufacturer, this is a control with the driver's seat to the left on the door that allows for the front passenger seat to be adjusted. While it sounds like something out of a James Bond movie, it is in fact a very simple feature that serves a ridiculous purpose. It seems like a strange feature, yet it might prove helpful in certain situations. Such a situation could be when the driver picks up a date and adjusts their seat, making them seem chivalrous and gallant. We have indeed come a long way from horses though. Number 1. Klassen Rolls-Royce Cullinan Bulletproof feature. Finally, we get to talk about a feature that is not ridiculous in any way. The Rolls-Royce Cullinan, worth almost $1 million, has been given quite an amazing feature, the VR6 bulletproof protection. Every panel, including the chassis and the roof, has been enhanced with armor proofing to ensure the car survives any damage, even as much as the impact of 2 simultaneous DM51 hand grenade explosions. At the same time, the bulletproof windows grant additional protection even from high-powered rifles. This vehicle also comes with special reinforced 20-inch rims with heavy-duty, run-flat and bulletproof tyres. Talk about beauty and protection at its best. This vehicle has been put together for clientele who do not wish to sacrifice luxury and comfort for security. So whether you need your car to show class and grandeur or protection in particular situations, the Klassen Rolls-Royce Cullinan can perform both functions efficiently. Well, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you have any comments, drop a message in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to get updates on new videos coming up. See you later.